I think you're sitting about as high as I did when I pulled it out the barn the first time.
Yeah, I feel like...
You're definitely taller than me.
I feel like it... Whenever I turn full lock, something's happening. Oh la la.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ, dude.
Good thing that's the first time I drove it.
7-inch Maxtrac powder coated. What's the color?
Turquoise.
Turquoise. Something turquoise, teal color. Kryptonite uppers. 1-inch level stacked, right?
I guess that looks about a 1 inch.
Nothing on the bottom of the strut. Angles check. Probably about like mine, except my tie rods ain't that bad. I don't think. Ball joints is probably about like mine. No CV axles, so you ain't gotta worry about that. You put your cotter pins, bro?
Yeah.
I like it. Fucker's big. I'm about 6'2" maybe, 6'1.5". This is eye level. This is like chest level. So, Lance, how tall you is?
5'10".
That's about 5'10". It's pretty tall. That's 37s. It's my old 37s. Want to do a hood to hood test? I like it. We in smelly fish towel, shrimp towel. Fixing a roll up with some fans.
We're gonna buy a matching set of JTX. 24s for my bike, 26 for my truck. Brand new. See the fucking motor. No exam.
This dude told me he was gonna be in a skid steer and I'd have to follow him to the other road to the shop. Not lying, bro.
Fucker is about it. Go ahead, brother. It's fucking telling you to go. You gotta go.
You gonna follow him.
Hey, picture up with the fucking bug.
Hey, what you got to say?
The bike looks big compared to the cat.
Now I'm poor.
You died about it.
I'm sorry, now Andre's poor.
Shitty.
And I got a new cat. Found that fucker, almost ran over him with a fucking thing.
Oh yeah. It's fucking nice, by the way. No power windows.
I'm broke,
Jonah,
bro.
bring the fucking headlights back.
No, these are LEDs. 2019 General, 1000, whatever. Same bullshit. Hey, look, I can check the underside of it.
Hey, good thing we got that motherfucker. Oh, bro, my foot.
I know what's wrong with it.
Bro. Oh my God. Hey, I had to pick this bitch up off his foot. Dude, my fucking head, bro.
Man, and I didn't get that on camera, bro, really? Dumbasses. So, the skid plate, I'm getting them
My
all.
brain's bleeding, dude.
I could be putting it on right now, but Keegan's bleeding. Hold up. Oh, he wiped it away. He was bleeding. Solid bike, you know, fluids are good. Connor's foot. Connor's foot's fucked.
Could have been way worse, but hey, look, on the bright side, the bumper helped.
Help nothing.
Flew clean out the fucking. I can't even do. My fucking head hurts too bad, bro. Like, I'm not even joking.
Do it.
Please, not my truck.
Not my. That's your truck, not your bike. Go slow. Keep going. You good? You got about 2 foot. Keep going. Keep going. It's getting tight now, boy.
Oh, we get somewhere.
There we go.
Come on, folks.
Not the grass. Fucker was eating. Oh man, not the fucking hitch. And I need to find a nut for that thing now. Well, that's where Connor's foot was. There's a nice impression on the ground. Happy Hanukkah. Fuck that guy. Man, my mirror.
They're not taking the mirrors off.
No, I wanted to keep the mirrors. Oh, look. Ah, it's good.
Yours not gonna hold it. Yours fucked.
Oh, it's good.
I think it's the grass.
The
good.
door's all dented.
Yeah, but we can fix that.
It's good. It's good.
That ain't nothing.
It's good. You know what? Hey, it's a bike. You, I don't care about. The bike, neither. So, hey. Lance is deciding not to be gay anymore after only a couple days. He's putting some little baby blocks in new bolts. So, spaces in the back as well. Already doing shit. Lance ain't even finished his shit. But the cat chilling. You know that handle. Got my master mechanic, aka professional stuntman.
Not the foot.
The foot. No, it don't hit like the leg does.
Wanna put this back in?
Yeah, put that back. Fine.
What?
You like the new pussy?
Oh, yeah.
Little nigga chilling.
First time you ever got
Chilling.
pussy in your life, huh?
Shut up.
Where you can't judge how my fucking shit like.
So fucking gay. Gay people in their squatted trucks. That bitch is cross-threaded as fuck.
Hold up, man.
Appreciate. Blocks in, whatever blocks, Maxtracs come with like a 5.5, 5-inch block, something like that. Stock shocks, stock drop shackles, or stock shackles. Set at about 11 in the front. It's got 7-inch Maxtrac, 9-inch shocks, and so they're stacked above them. So about 11 in the front, probably about 5, 6 in the back, something like that. Looks gay, I love it. Damn, bro, you got the floaters on the axe.
Yes, sir.
So last night we was riding. I probably have a couple of clips of it. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the video or not, but my belt decided to destroy itself. Pretty sure it's my belt. Maybe some clutches too that I destroyed. I destroyed my clutches, whatever, but for sure my belt. It was already slipping and going out, and I had already ordered one, but I was full sending it because fuck it, why not? And belt decided to kill itself, so I'm about to pull the cover off and see. I can already tell mud and shit got in there, so probably wasn't good. And this bike really hadn't been in mud from that other dude, so all this mud's from me basically. So just as I suspected, shredded the belt. Primary clutch, I got a clutch puller, so I'm not gonna pull it today, but I might pull it today. But primary clutch doesn't look destroyed, just the fucking belt all up in there. That's probably the fucking problem. Anyways, So like I said, I might pull the primary clutch today just to make sure, and if I gotta order a new clutch or something. But belt is definitely destroyed. I got another belt coming this week. I'm also waiting on some oil so I can change on that, but it doesn't look like too wet in here, like they had too much water. They definitely had some mud and water in here, but not too bad, I guess. I mean, I knew it was coming. I knew the belt was already going out. I just fucking let it eat and destroyed it. A little bit of Sabine Prep. So I didn't film it because I'm a dumbass, but I got my new belt in. Put it on, sealed my air box. Around the gasket, sealed around that vent. Goes to there. And I just cranked up the shock on this side. I took these big ass pliers, put it right here. It was on the bottom, or the lowest, now it's on the highest. Probably about an inch or so it'll make it go up. Something like that. About to do it on the other side on the fronts. And probably gonna go borrow Keegan's tires. I think he does 31s or 2s for Sabine after I wash it. And tomorrow is getting tint. Excuse me, my good sir, what are we doing today, Mr. Druzif?
Something like that, some windows.
I don't, dude. I don't think.
I don't think nobody ever saw the unit. It's kind of fucking dirty.
Kind of fucking ugly.
Yeah, thing's a fucking rag.
Nice, nice.
Clean.
Smells like a brand new truck.
This is brand new.
2022, nice handprint.
Wow. So good.
Finna smack 5% on the shoe.
5%. I can better see shit.
Follow a 20 all around. 15 on the shield with a brow. I'm putting 5 on my bike shields. I just put Keegan's rims on yesterday. Gage is putting 5 on his bike shield. Ugly ass shit. We taking this unit to Sabine.
We're pulling this unit with that unit.
Yeah.
And we got another truck with a big gooseneck. All our bikes on that bitch.
No, Finn, there's only one way.
Go to the bank, make a deposit. We not GLE, no deposit. Kick shit like Bruce Lee, no kamikaze. Sorry, I'm trying, but as you can see, I ain't together.
Thing tooted as fuck. Damn, Gage, you just fuck up everything.
Thing's leaning, bubble. Look at it.